Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi le 16 novembre. Le mot de passe, ça dépend. Ça dépend. Et la question de la semaine, for which you filled out the Jamboard yesterday, où est-ce que tu es allé ce weekend? Where did you go? Où est-ce que tu es allé ce weekend? So I want you to use the Jamboard, put your answer on the Jamboard, and then you're going to need to use that answer for your flip video. I also want you to go back through La Chanson de la Semaine, 50, 51, 52. All those numbers are also included in a Quizlet for you, so you are welcome to use Quizlet to help you learn those numbers as well. Il y a un flip video. So for your flip this week, you are going to be saying bonjour, ça dépend, où est-ce que tu es allé ce weekend? See Jamboard. And then je saute, je touche le bras, et je mets. Remember, I have an example video on that flip website, and you can also make little pronunciation notes while you watch the video so you can recall how to pronounce things when it's your turn to actually say them. And then, of course, end with au revoir. Okay, donc, flip video est pris, closet space. Ooh, I put chanson on here twice. Désolé, my bad. And really, this, because it's part of your flip video, should go up here. Rearrange stuff a little bit. Okay. Closet space reading worksheet. So last week you did the closet space story, and yesterday you did the translation. Aujourd'hui, il y a une fiche de travail pour closet space. So just do your best. I am not going to be necessarily grading you for accuracy here. I am more grading you for, does it look like you're doing your own work? And when I went through and graded the La Grenouille reading worksheet, it was pretty easy to see when people were drawing from outside resources like Google Translate. So it's hard when I'm teaching an online class because obviously there is not a whole lot I can do to keep you from using Google Translate. But usually I can tell when you've used it because you're using vocabulary that we haven't learned yet. And I want you to use the vocabulary that we have learned. So let's look at this fiche de travail. You're going to open up Schoology. Cette semaine, mercredi. So it's going to look like this. At the top, well, in theory. Okay. At the top, you have just some vocab. So, une cuisine. What is this word? It's down here. What is this word? It's down here. Now, again, you could, and there's not a whole lot I can do about this, go on Google Translate and look these up. But that is not what I want you to do. I want you to try to remember, and you can even look down here, through the context of this story. Can you recall what these different vocab words mean? And do your best. And if you miss one, that's okay. So fill those in. And then you're going to read through the story. And then you're going to copy down key sentences, 5 phrases principales. So what key sentences would you need to get most of the point of the story across? You're going to copy the sentence down here. You can just copy paste it, but then I need you to translate it. And again, I want that to be your own work. You should be capable of translating that without any outside resources. You're using the vocab that we learned in the story. You're using the videos that you watched where I told the story. And if you want, you can also use Quizlet for this. So as I told you, you can use Quizlet for your numbers up to 70. And we also have a Quizlet set for closet space. So you can use that. You can open this up and you can find words like un cintre or une poupée that you need for that top part. So again, don't use Google Translate, use the resources that I've provided for you, and mostly use the context of the story. See if you can read through that story again and recall, oh, okay, now I know what happened. Now maybe that can help me with this word that I can't remember what it means. Okay, so read through it, copy down your key phrases, key sentences, and then you're going to translate them. Okay, après ça, when you're finished with that, then if you are able to listen to La Chanson de la Semaine, really it doesn't matter when you listen to it, but I want you to keep listening to it because, once again, I am expecting you now to know all those numbers up through 70. So keep that in mind. Okay, et c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That is it for today. If you have any questions for me, I will be on the Meet Michon French Online from noon to 12:30. So you can talk to me there or via email. Merci. Au revoir.